Hey, we're back again with our Boxer 423. Boxer 423, this is made by Hydramaster Corporation. It's a machine with 4,300 hours, good pump, good blower, brand new motor. Maybe about 1 hour of use, just testing here. Boxer 423, brand new motor, heat exchanger works, everything works. We're gonna do some paint touch-ups. We're not gonna paint the whole thing. We're just gonna do a touch-up here. The rest of it works. Check it out. Right there. Brand new motor again. 1 hour of use. New coupler grommets. 2,300 power. We're gonna do touch-up. We're gonna do the fittings, valves, make sure the rest of it's working properly. This is a good beginner or a second backup machine. For some people, this could be their first unit. It's got plenty heat. Go on. Plenty heat. It doesn't. Dale, pelo. All right. So this is a very good machine. It's priced under $5,000, so give us a call, 623-414-2745, 623-414-2745. We have broken Everest, we have a 405, we have Apex Peaks. We can do swaps, conversion, repairs, consignments, trade-in, sell, buy. Yeah, 623-414-2745. Thank you for watching.